Paris. Welcome to Hot in Paris, the newsletter for the vlog. What we're going to be doing every other week is showing you around Paris. I'll be showing you around Paris. I have a cool little bike, electric bike. We're going to show you the sights, going to show you the food. We're going to do recipes on the vlog as well. And my camera does swivel, by the way, so pretty cool. Yeah, it's going to be interesting. It's going to be fun. Right now, I'm a little bit hungry, and I got a meeting for my work at like 30 minutes from now. So we're going to take a little bike ride, go to the laundry, and get some stuff. Also, by the way, this is the first edition. I want to keep saying this, and we're going to show you a few things, which is going to be the new studio that we built out. And the first one, this is part 2, by the way, because the first one I unfortunately deleted everything off my computer because I didn't know how to work Final Cut Pro X, and it's pretty sad about it. So anyway, all about the sights, the sounds, the food, and welcome to Paris. So welcome, bienvenue à Paris. So a little cold outside, to be honest with you. But anyway, that being said, always carry a little bag around. You never know when it's going to rain, and it always rains in Paris. Voila! Alright, so for me, my favorite is pain Swiss. I love it. It has crème patisserie, and then chocolate chips in it. And then, so it's the same thing as a croissant, but it has chocolate chips and crème patisserie. I got 6 different ones. For the lady, she likes the croissant and pain au chocolat. So for your original croissant, boom, that's pretty good, huh? Let's keep stacking. Pan au chocolat. Always 2 sticks. Always 2 sticks of chocolate. And then my favorite, which is going to go on top, is the pain suisse. Et voila. Look at that. Yeah. That's why it's the king. That's why it's on top. So, get to do a little eating, and then I get to have a meeting, which rhymes, and then after that we're going to go on a bike ride. And it's going to be fun, and then I'll show you my studio, because this vlog 1.2. Oh yeah. A bientôt. So, welcome to the new studio. We have a few things in store for you. With each recipe that we do, you will see here, voila, we're doing crepes today. Tableau, new you, new me, and yeah. So let's talk about crepes. National Crepe Day, February 2nd. Now, why are we making crepes instead of pancakes, you might say? Number one, crepes are a lot easier to make. You don't have to have a crepe pan as well. So there's a lot of things that just makes this easier, of course, in the crepes. So what we have for you, a little bit of flour, milk, cool jar, water, because I don't like to go all the way through it, butter that I have melted, salt, vanilla extract, sugar, and then finishing off with our quote-unquote beautiful eggs. So I have let the ingredients sit out for about 15 minutes so that everything's room temperature. We have a bowl. Sugar, put in first. I like to do eggs. Whisk this with the sugar, with also the little bit of salt. So, vanilla extract, voila. Water, milk in the big jar. Everybody likes the big jar. Now, flour, just like in a cake, you're going to go about 1/3 at a time or 1/2 at a time, whatever your preference is. Already smells wonderful, by the way, like really wonderful. Also, another little tip for you. Tip time. You can put this in a blender and do the same exact process, and it'll go a little bit quicker for you. So. And there we have it, crepe batter. Now I'm going to rush this off to the fridge, not too fast, and we'll come back in about 30 minutes, and then we'll be making some crepes. So, now we're back. Our batter is now chilled. You start with butter. They're going to say put a tablespoon or something. I'm just going to grab the butter block. You always have a butter block, you have a stick of butter. Just rub it. And then next, you need a ladle. So, with the ladle, you're going to dip, make sure that it's full, then we're going to pour it right in the center of the poêle, aka the pan, and then all we're going to do is do a little cool little wee around. Just like so. And you let it cook. And so your crepe is cooking, and you see it's cooking. Now we're just going to let it go for anywhere in between 1 minute, 2 minutes, and then we're going to pick it up and then flip it over. Alright, so if you're wondering where that crepe pan went with the crepe, well, this beautiful little baby just had an error message for myself, and so I have a low voltage problem, which means I can't cook on it. with our first video in here, and guess what? Didn't work out as best as planned, but so it's a thin pancake. You can cook it however you want. So for me, this is my preference. Boom. Some people like a little bit of brown. Voila. Just like so. I think I might have eaten one below. But anyway, and then some people want just straight looking eggs, just like so. So this is gonna be your last one there. Boop. I did eat a few some things for yourself. So it's a lot easier to do crepes in 2 pans at one time. It goes quicker for yourself. The batter will last for up to about 2 days. So you need to use that, by the way. Once you make the crepes like this, you'll stack them all on a plate very easily. So traditionally, we look over here, you would fold, then fold over, and then they give you this in a cone. You can do anything you want. You can put confiture, which is also jam or jelly, a little bit of sugar and lemon juice, my personal favorite. Also you have chocolate and banana. Make sure you have chocolate sauce and caramel sauce, almost forgot. And also, great little thing to do, not just for the kiddies, but also for Valentine's Day coming up. For me, assemble the banana and some chocolate. Oh yeah. From all of us at Cooking with Burton, that is me, we wish you happy crepe day. And I'm going to go eat some crepes and go into a crepe coma. So, really good. Like, really good. I didn't stuff it all away, but you gotta get what I mean. So from Fred's, signing off. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon with an induction cooker. Ciao, ciao, ciao.